Come here. Come here. Mommy, sorry. Hush. If you're going to get on camera, you can't do all that crying. Say hey. Say hi. I wanted to do a quick video because I just received a package from DHL. I ordered some hair. Anyway. Huh? Go ahead. Go ahead, baby. Say hey. Say hi. Say subscribe to my mommy's channel. Dry your tears. You're always crying. Anyway, so I wanted to show you guys the hair that I ordered. It finally came. I ordered this hair off Aliexpress from Alipearl hair. Let me go to the app real quick and tell you guys some information. If you're not subscribed to my channel, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you are subscribed and you're watching this video, what's up? Thank you for subscribing and thank you for coming back. So let's get into the video. This hair is from Alipearl. I got a 18-inch closure, a 20, 22, and 24. The price of it was $189.63, but I got $2 off. I'm not really sure, so I paid $187.63. I'm gonna show you guys the hair. I ordered this hair on the 28th of February, and I received it actually yesterday, Monday the 4th. So it took about, ooh, don't fall, baby. It took about 4 days to get to me. I received it today on the 5th, but they delivered it yesterday to my leasing office. So it just comes in a DHL packaging. I'm just opening it up right now. It comes in a bag like this. I've seen boxes. I got you. Yeah, I've seen boxes on Alipearl, but yeah, I got a bag. So it comes in a pink bag and everything is in it. It says Alipearl on the front of it. So I'm gonna open the bag. It doesn't have a zipper or anything. Oh, the zipper's on the bottom. Whew, okay. Ooh. So let's see, this is the 24-inch. I did get the color 99J because I wanted to switch up my color for a bit. So let's look at the first bundle. Ooh, that's pretty. And I got body wave. Don't fall, baby. I got body wave. Getting no shedding. I am so excited. I wanted this color before a long time ago. I think when I was like a teenager. So I wanted to switch up my color a little bit, get more into color. Yeah, it feels good, don't it? But it looks really good. The ends look really good. I'm excited. I'm kind of getting tired of the black, but I love black hair, but it's time to change it up a little bit. But I'm getting no shedding, completely no shedding. Smells like store-bought hair, but it doesn't have like a corn chip smell. So this is the 24-inch, and the 24-inch is kind of long. And that's what the wefts look like. If you guys can see, it looks pretty good. Okay, baby. Yeah. Yeah, are you getting shedding? Are you getting shedding? No? So that's the 24-inch. This is the 22-inch. I'm gonna open this up. This hair is from Alipearl. And this is the 22-inch. Not getting any shedding. It's really soft. Are you getting shedding, baby? Any shedding? Are you getting shedding? Yeah, no shedding. Okay, let it go, let it go. And the wefts looks pretty good on this one. Yeah, the wefts looks pretty good on this one as well. Okay, baby. So this is the 22-inch. Love this color, love this color. This is the cap that they sent with the package. I won't be using that, not this time. This is the 20-inch. This is my first time ordering from Alipearl, so I'm definitely going to do an in-depth review on this hair. baby? Are you getting any shedding? No corn chip smell, no shedding. The wefts looks amazing. Amazing. That's the 20-inch. And then we have the closure. I'm gonna make a wig. I don't know if I'm gonna record me making a wig. Do you guys really need another video on recording wigs? Like, don't fall. Like, we all should know how to make wigs by now. This is the 18-inch closure. This is the closure. It's a middle part closure that you can just part in the middle. This is the baby hairs and the lace. I'm gonna cut all that off because I'm really not into baby hairs at all. I'm going to try to bleach the knot. I might make a video on that. I'm not. You think I should bleach the knots? No? You don't want me to bleach the knots? You don't want mommy's wig to look as natural as possible? Get your finger out your mouth. Okay, keep it in there. But this is the 18-inch closure. It's a middle part closure. Like I said, I might do a video on me making this wig if I have time. I've been having a lot going on. I always say that. But I honestly do have a lot going on. I'm going to update you guys on a lot of things that's been going on. But this is the... You like it? You like mommy's hair? Okay, but this is the closure. I am probably going to do a video on making a wig and bleaching the knots. Like I said, when I have time. But yeah, so far I like the hair. Like I said, I'm going to make a wig with that, with the bundles, and I might record. I'm going to try to record all that good stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will be doing a more review on that hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a wig making video and bleaching the knots. It's gonna be my first time bleaching knots and all that stuff. So I'm very excited to do that. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out Alipearl. They have some really good prices. Like I said, this is my first time using their hair, so I'm going to keep you guys updated with that. And look out for some videos with baby girl. Yeah. Just be looking out for some videos. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Say bye. Bye.